Looking to source your parts data smarter and faster? A TVH integration with Softbase is key to getting the information you need quickly. Let's dive into how an integration can make your Softbase experience even more simple and convenient. The activation process is easy. If you have admin privileges, just navigate to Settings, Administration, Branch, then the branch you would like to edit. Towards the bottom of the page, select the TVH tab. Enter your TVH account number and TVH key, which is provided to you by the integration team. Click Update, and you're ready to go. To instantly check pricing and availability, search for any TVH part number or add a part to your catalog. In the Parts window, click the TVH button to see real-time stock availability, as well as the latest cost from TVH updated in your Pricing tab. You can also verify availability when creating or editing a purchase order. Open your document in Purchase Orders and scroll to the bottom of the screen, where you can enter the part number under the Parts tab. Clicking the TVH button displays the current stock right on the PO screen, so you can submit your order with confidence. Finally, you can check the availability and pricing in the event you have parts you'd like to backorder. Find the document you'd like to check, such as invoicing, parts order, or parts quote. For the invoicing example, navigate to the Parts tab and enter a TVH part number, then select Add Parts Entry. If on-hand stock is low when you add the part, confirm that you'd like to backorder and click the TVH button. There, you can instantly see availability and cost for the backordered part. From parts inquiry to backorder sourcing, a TVH integration brings all the parts data you need into one place. Activate the feature now to simplify your workflow.